Semangat pagi, dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk reading part keempat. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Baik, kita langsung saja. Judul yang pertama, Using Random Text Strategy in Improving Reading Comprehension Ability to the Second Year Student of Junior High School. 2. The comparison between oral and silent reading to understand a fable to the second grade student of junior high school. 3. The effectiveness of question generation strategy on student reading comprehension of narrative text. Berikutnya, judul yang keempat, The Implementation, the Power of Two Strategy for Teaching Reading Skill. 5. The Effect of Picture Series on Students' Reading Comprehension of Procedure Text. 6. The Effect of Using Blinded Learning Model on Student Reading Comprehension of Exposition Text. 7. Improving Student Reading Comprehension on descriptive and recount text through critical thinking. 8. The effect of reader response strategy and student reading interest on their reading comprehension of narrative text. 9. Using blended learning model in teaching student reading comprehension of exposition text in the second grade student of senior high school. 10. The effect of literature circle strategy and content familiarity on students' reading comprehension of analytical exposition text. 11. Outdoor learning activities on the second year student reading comprehension of English Education Department. 12. The application of grade reading materials to improve the 3-year students' reading comprehension. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-13, Fostering Undergraduate Students' Reading Performance in English Discourse through Problem-Based Learning Model. 14. Using teamwork webbing to increase students' reading comprehension at first grades of senior high school. 15. The effectiveness of intensive reading on students' reading comprehension of descriptive text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-16, English Education and Teaching Science Installation Manga to increase student reading comprehension on narrative text of the second year student of junior high school. 17. The effectiveness of story pyramid strategy on students' reading comprehension of recount text. 18. The effectiveness of TAE, Team Assist Individualization, to improve student reading comprehension at the second grade student of senior high school. 19. An analysis of readability level on the reading text in English textbook. 20. The effect of Socratic questioning on students' reading comprehension of analytical exposition text. 21. The effectiveness of using feedback towards the reading comprehension. Judul berikutnya yang ke-22, Exploring Student Attitude Toward Extensive Reading. 23. The effect of number head together on students' reading comprehension of narrative text. 24. The use of reading workshop strategy in improving reading comprehension. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-25, Expectation and Experiences of Indonesian Teachers Who Have and Have Not Done Extensive Reading. 26. The effectiveness of using cursory reading technique in increasing the second year student reading achievement of senior high school. 27. An analysis on the English teaching strategies in teaching reading comprehension at the second grade of junior high school. 28. The student's ability in using contextual question technique in reading comprehension of second grade in senior high school. 29. Developing student critical thinking through an integrated extensive reading program. 30. Applying read, cover, remember, retell, atau RCRS strategy to foster students' reading comprehension of descriptive text. 31. The use of spoof text in teaching reading toward the second grade student of senior high school. 32. Improving student reading comprehension through read, ask, put, atau REP strategy at the second grade student of junior high school. 33. Using newspaper article as alternative materials in teaching of reading comprehension. Judul berikutnya, yang ke-34, the effectiveness of using classical music on students' motivation in reading comprehension. 35. The effectiveness of constructivist approach to enhance student reading comprehension of the procedure text. 36. The effect of 3-2-1 strategy on student reading comprehension of hortatory exposition text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-37, Correlational Investigation of Indonesian EFL Learners' Critical Thinking and Grammar Mastery with their Reading Comprehension Achievement. 38. The effect of Interactive Read Aloud atau IRA on young learners' vocabulary development and reading comprehension. 39. Using paraphrasing to improve reading comprehension for the second grade students. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-40, The Intervention Using Skimming Reading Technique on Student Reading Comprehension of Explanation Text. 41. Analyzing the reliability and validity of reading tests at the first grade of senior high school. 42. The comparison between using jumbled picture stories and jumbled paragraph in teaching reading comprehension at the first grades of senior high school. Judul berikutnya, yang ke-43, The Effect of Reciprocal Teaching Method and Student Reading Interest on Student Reading Comprehension of Narrative Text. Judul yang ke-44, Using Tea-Party Strategy as a Pre-Reading Activity to Improve the Student Reading Comprehension at the second grade of senior high school. 45. Teaching Reading by Using Learning Community in Contextual Teaching and Learning atau CTL Method to the second year student of senior high school. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-46, Using Reading Range in Improving the Student Reading Ability at Islamic Junior High School. 47. The Influence of Think, Fire, Share on Student Reading Narrative Text. 48. An analysis of the readability level of reading text in Passport the World II textbook by using cloze test. Judul berikutnya, 49. The effectiveness of collaborative learning in improving student ability in reading descriptive text. 50. Comparing the effectiveness of using jigsaw technique and student team achievement division technique in enhancing student reading comprehension. 51. The effectiveness of using story mapping technique towards student reading ability of narrative text. Terima kasih telah menonton kumpulan jurnal skripsi bahasa Inggris di part 4. Silakan like, subscribe, and share di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.